Hi friends, welcome to IPM Leap. Today we have brought to you a very interesting maths puzzle. The challenge is to guess the birth date based on a statement which is there on your screen. Sia told Radhika, 12 times the date of my birth added to 31 times the month of my birth is 555. On which date was Sia born? This is a popular question in aptitude exams and you are required to solve a linear equation with integral variables to arrive at the answer. So what are you waiting for? Grab a pen and a piece of paper and try it out because next I am going to discuss its solution. So the equation for the question statement looks like 12d plus 31m is equal to 555, where d is the date of birth and m is the month of birth. It's clear that d can take values only from 1 to 31 because there are maximum 31 days in any month, and m can take values only from 1 to 12 because there are 12 months in a year. So, if suppose m is equal to 1, it would be January and so on. Okay, so guys, two variables generally require two linear equations for a unique solution. But in this case, we have only one. Nonetheless, this is a special equation where variables are integers. So we will have only a few possibilities and very likely a unique solution for our birth date. So how do we solve a special equation? The steps are simple. First, we take the term with the bigger coefficient to the right hand side. So 12d is equal to 555 minus 31m. We can see that our left hand side is 12d. It is a multiple of 12. So right hand side should also be a multiple of 12. Let's separate out pure multiples of 12 from the right hand side. You may divide 555 by 12 for this and you will get 3 as remainder. So 552 is the nearest multiple. We break down 555 into 552 plus 3. And we write minus 31m as minus 36m plus 5m because 36 is a multiple of 12. Once we have done this, third step is to divide the whole equation by 12. So our revised equation is d is equal to 46 minus 3m plus 3 plus 5m divided by 12. Now please note that in our revised equation, d is an integer, 46 and 3m are integers, and so for the equation to balance, this fractional part must turn out to be an integer too. That means either 3 plus 5m is 0 or a multiple of 12. So we can do a few iterations and try out various values of m such as 1, 2, 3 and so on till 3 plus 5m becomes multiple of 12. Else, the better way is to equate 3 plus 5m with various multiples of 12 and stop when we get an integer value of m. So let's start the iterations. If 3 plus 5m is equal to 12, which is the first multiple of 12, we get m is equal to 9 by 5. Not acceptable because m should be an integer. If 3 plus 5m is equal to 24, which is the second multiple of 12, we get m is equal to 21 by 5. Not acceptable again. If 3 plus 5m is equal to 36, which is the third multiple of 12, we get m is equal to 33 upon 5. Not acceptable. Don't forget m should be an integer. And iteration number 4, if 3 plus 5m is equal to 48, which is the fourth multiple of 12, we get m is equal to 45 by 5. In this case, we get m is equal to 9. The month is September. We don't need to try out further iterations. If you wish, you may try just for fun. Let's quickly find out the date now. So putting m is equal to 9 in our original equation, we get 12d plus 31 into 9 is equal to 555. So 12d is equal to 555 minus 279. 12D is equal to 276 and D is equal to 23. Alternatively, you may use the revised equation at step 3. That would be even simpler, calculations wise. So the answer to this birthday puzzle is 23rd September. That brings us to the end of this lesson. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to press the like button if you did, and also press the bell icon next to subscribe to get notifications about other such useful content on our channel. For any doubts or queries, drop in a comment in the comment section of the video page below and we'll be happy to address them. For now, take care and happy learning.